All right. I think I'm going to see just how long this video goes. um, excuse me. I smoke cigarettes and I cough a lot. I want to stop smoking, kinda, but at the same time, my wife doesn't want to stop smoking, so it makes it kind of hard to stop smoking because you smell your wife that has the smell of smokes on her. You give her a kiss, you can taste the smoke. And you know, if you like to smoke cigarettes, sometimes those things are appealing to you, and then next thing you know, you want to have another cigarette. As I have, should I say, finish my cigarette. So yeah, so what I wanted to do is I wanted to take a video of all the stuff that my wife's got. Okay, maybe not a complete video of everything she's got, but what she does have, I want to kind of show everybody. Turn some lights on here, and I'll turn my camera around. Okay, there's a full down mattress cover. Normally goes for $70 or $122. She's selling it $25. 3 blue globe island pendant light. You normally goes for like $140. She's selling it for $25. I'm sorry. That there is a cover for a Bronco, the tonneau cover like thing for the backside of the newer age Broncos, the 2022s to 2024s. That's negotiable. Not 25, as you can tell. Negotiable. We've got pots and pans here that equal over $100. $25. Anybody into BJJ, Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu? There's a gi for you. $25. Baby little hamper thing by your bed. $25. Another baby hamper by your bed. $25. Sold the treadmill for $25. Turn some more lights on here. Just this cool thing right here. Let me turn another light on for you here. This cool thing right here is a bicycle bar stool, right? And it's kind of hard to do with just one hand, but you got pedals, you got chains, you got all this stuff to help you come up. This bar stool right here is a set of 2, but I have 2 sets. Yes, I'm selling both sets for $25. Not me, my wife. $25. Grates for your grill. $25. I mean, motorcycle helmets, they go for $60. $25. Roof rack, $25. Turn some more lights on here. I mean, just everything, $25. $25, unless it's less than $25, and then it's negotiable. This big box right here is a queen size box spring bed frame. $25. I mean, we've got floor mats and mats for vehicles, top grade, $25. Another light, $25. Vacuum, sold, $25. A zip line, 150-foot zip line, holds up to 400 pounds, $25. I mean, more ceiling fans. Check this out. That's pretty bad little guy. $25. More seat covers. $25. Turn some more lights on here. There's just everything she's selling is $25. I mean, it's just unreal. These here go for $100 a piece. I got 2 of them. $25. The wife is selling everything for 25 bucks. And the reason why is because we're trying to buy land. We're trying to move to build a better, or not bigger home, but a better home and a shop and all of that. So that way we can get all of this stuff moved. So when we move, we're not moving extra stuff. And then on top of that, we're trying to get everything done so that way when we move, we can set up a whole new situation, a whole new section in the shop to be able to get everything going and start again. So yeah, everything $25 unless it's below $25, and then it's just negotiable. Is my wife crazy? I don't know. Kind of came up with the idea myself and then told her about it, and then she agreed with it, so maybe we're both crazy? I don't know. We'll see what happens. I'll talk to y'all here in a little while. Bye.